real quick, before you guys get into this video, this is the intro, but I'm filming this at the end of the video I just posted. That you guys are about to see. Real quick, click the link in the down. Click the link in the down. What the hell? Click the link in the description. It's the only link that I'm posting in the description. I dropped my new music video that I filmed in Miami. So I just want you guys to show love and go crazy on those views and go support it. It's literally the only link down below. So click that and show some love. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Now let's get into the video. Not peace out. Whatever. Just let's go. Whew. What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Lil Roy TV, and I'm back with another video. Right here, you see the box. It's not what you think, because basically you see the title. So this is my third pair that I got from the Dunks vs Air Forces. You guys know previously on the channel, if you watched, I had the two Dunks previously, but this time I was kind of slacking and I didn't hit on the Dunks. I hit on the Air Forces, sadly, because it's kind of a brick price wise of reselling, but I wanted to review it because I don't know if I'm going to return it or what I'm going to do with this or how I could go about it. But you see the title, it's the Air Force One from the Dunk vs Air Force One pack. Yeah, so if you're new here, stay tuned. I'll go over it and show you guys how it looks. Maybe you guys like it, and yeah, you guys like it. Yeah, so if you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button. We're almost at 300 plus. By the time we watch this, we should be almost there. And then ultimately, as soon as we hit 1K subs, we're doing an absolutely free giveaway. So make sure you subscribe and join the squad, as well as like this video, comment, because I respond to all my comments. So comment below and then we could discuss whatever you want to ask. You guys see my background, you guys should know I got stuff everywhere, clothes, shorts, all types of stuff. But that's not important. What's important is right here. So let's get right into it. I don't want to take up too much time of yours, and I don't want to take up too much time of mine. So let's get it. Okay, so off rip, you know the Undefeated Nike logo right there on the side, as well as the Nike right there, and then the little Undefeated logo up there. And by the way, this is a 9.5, size 9.5 men's, and then of course the Dunk Air Force right there. So regular Dunk Air Force One paper, and let's get into the shoe. It comes with extra white laces. It already comes laced up with the blue ones, and it comes with the white. And let's put it sideways. I don't want them to say, oh, it was worn, whatever. To be honest, I don't know why they're kind of bricking, because to be honest, they're a pretty solid shoe. Let's get the quick thumbnail for the video. Let's put the laces right there, and then let's get the thumbnail. Let's move this bag out a little bit. Boom. So that's the thumbnail. Always gotta smell the shoe. To be honest, I don't know why this shoe is bricking that much. It does have that funny tongue like the Dunks usually have, but it's kind of more slimmer because it's on the Air Force. You could see it's like slim on the Air Force. I didn't even know the back is shiny. You can see the reflection, like a patent leather and blue and white. You got the Undefeated logo here. It's like you got leather with the freaking leather couch type of material. Even the logo is patent leather. Obviously this side is white and the inside is yellow. What else you got? The Air Force, of course, the metal piece right there. Undefeated logo on the tongue. What else? The yellow inside that says Dunk vs Air Force One. This is a clean shoe, but I don't know why they're bricking. I guess you would think with the collab they'll at least have some type of resale value, but then again, Undefeated takes so long to ship, so it does smell good. What do you guys like about the yellow type of gum bottom? I believe it's good because having white would make it too basic, and yeah, it probably would never even look good. Let me see if there's any difference on the shoes. Nope, everything's the same. The inside is the yellow logo. And then the outside is obviously the patent leather white on both shoes. You can see it there. But, yeah. Obviously, I messed up this go around because the previous 2 dunks, I made money and profit. And now I'm stuck with this undefeated Air Force One because out of all Air Force Ones, these don't go for that much. So I'm low-key stuck with this. If you're watching this and you want it and you're 9.5, hit me up. Instagram is down below. And we could set it up for you to buy this off of me. I won't even tax you guys that much. But this looks like a snake skin, but I don't know if it really is, but you can see the details close, see? And then you got this nasty couch material as the base for yellow. But, you know, this is calm, a little gold blue, like a dark blue. But I'm realizing the laces is two different blues. You can't really see the reflection, but if you look from this point of view, you can see this laces is different blue compared to the other blue of the shoe. But, yeah. Let me know if you guys like these in the comments. Let me know if it's a pass. Did you take a L or W on these? I don't know. Either I'm going to return them, try to return them, or try to sell it locally, or have to just hold them until it goes up a little bit. But yeah, let me know what you think about the undefeated Air Force One collab. And I'll respond to all my comments. But it's a cool shoe. Nothing too crazy. And I'm mad because this probably was one of the best dunks. Not really the best dunks out of the collab. I don't know. Actually, I don't think so. It's the best. I think it's the second best. But because the first one I didn't like. The second one I have, you know, the blue purple, and then obviously they had the black dunks of this collab. But I was slacking, and I think it was more limited, the black ones. But I was able to touch these, so yeah. But that's it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Like I said, let me know if you like the shoe. Also, subscribe to the channel. Like I said, this should be a quick review. It's not much to really go over. But let me know if you think this is ugly, what you caught for personal, not all that good stuff. But until next time, I'll see you guys in the next vid. By the time you're watching this, I made double upload. So go check out the other video. If not, it's cool. Then I'll just hold the video for tomorrow. Alright. Yeah, alright. So that's the outro, because I'm going to make an intro, because I forgot to make the big announcement. But if you're watching the video at this point, I dropped my new music video that I filmed in Miami. So go click down below in the description. That's the only link I'm putting in the description today. Down below, new music video. Go show support. And go comment and show some love. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Like I said, either I got a double upload for you guys, and just for y'all showing love. If I'm supporting you guys by giving y'all 2 vids today, go show me some love on my main channel, my music channel. Go show that some love. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next vid. Peace the fuck.